Here are the steps to maintain a float. Log into the point of sale screen using your code or the fingerprint reader. Navigate to the Pickup Order button on the Ordering Methods screen, or select the Pickup Order button in the Sales Invoice screen. Click on the Functions button to display the list of management functions available to the employee. Click on Maintain Float. Maintain Float allows employees to add or remove the float allocated to an employee till or store. Click the Amount field to add the amount to the float, or remove to subtract the amount from the float.